Hey gang, Poppy here. We're in the computer room. This is a little look what's inside video for you. Uh, Big Clive took one of these apart a week or so ago, I think. Anyway, here's another one that's not in quite as good a shape as the one Clive took apart. Okay, you all recognize this. It's that bug light. We got this like 2 years ago. There, cut that loose. There's the inside. I'm going to get a screwdriver and undo these screws. You. No, not you. Not you. Where'd it go? Where's the one I wanted? Well, this will have to do. Okay. This one should do. All right, here we are. Hey, it came out. Okay. I like it when things go easy. Now here's a little cage with your lights and your bug zapping grid. Yes, this was a bug zapper light. Here we go. There it is. The electronics. Capacitors, resistors. Looks like a little transformer in there. LEDs. Brain box. More lights. I think these would probably be the blue lights. Since you want the bugs to go to the blue light, they'd have to be there. And the bug kill grid. That's nothing. This is all clogged up. That may be why it died. Then again, it may have only been engineered to last for, a short time. They call that price engineering. I say the philosophy is they've gotten to the third stage of industry and science on this planet. The first one is, what is it? What can we do with it? The second one is, how can we make a little bit more money out of it? And the third stage, the one we're in now, is how cheap can we make it, still get some idiot to still buy it from us? Third stage of science and industry. How cheap can we make it and still sell them? Of course, in cleaning up the bugs might have helped. But according to the directions, it's like every morning you turn it off, take it down, clean it out. Drag out the ladder, climb up there. Hope no one comes out the front door while you're on the ladder. Yeah. Okay, from all of that, you know what I'm going to salvage? This almost hemispherical dome. The rest, garbage. Okay. Okay. There are two basic kinds of engineering nowadays. There's value engineering, make it good, you know. Then there's cost engineering, make it cheap. Of course, a lot of the cost engineering coming from people who buy the work of the people who make it right. Then they'll do what they used to call a cheap Chinese copy. Yeah, that was only last week. You know, and cheap, cheap being the operative word. No matter where they make it, cheap. And it's your fault, as you insist on paying as little as possible. Really? I mean, you're in a throwaway culture now. Sometimes I wonder if a lot of people on this planet have throwaway brain. Not the inclination to throw stuff away. I mean, the brain should be thrown away. Because, well, technically, they are stupid people. Okay. I'm going to end this one for now. Good night from California and stay safe. Don't get sick because hospitals are already full. Don't get sick. Don't get hurt. Depressing thought, isn't it?